Galing, no? Alahura. Ayos, oh.
use caution when opening overhead compartments, as items may have shifted in flight. Please keep the all clear of any carry-on items, then be sure to check your seat back pocket for any items you may have stowed, like tablets or cell phones. You may now use your cell phones. We are scheduled to arrive today in Terminal C. Our arrival gate is set as C22, that's Charlie 22. Those of you who have checked bags and where Dallas is your final destination, you will claim those at baggage carousel C15, that's Charlie 15 for checked bags. If you are making a connection here in Dallas-Fort Worth and it's out of a terminal other than C, it is typically best to utilize the Skylink train. You'll simply follow the orange signs, go up the escalator, and then board the appropriate train. You can be anywhere within the secured area of DFW International Airport within 12 to 15 minutes time.
Airplane. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane.